Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion.
Riggers set up and repair rigging at manufacturing plants, shipyards, logging yards, construction sites, film sets and mines. They are responsible for aligning and anchoring the machinery, attaching loads, controlling the movement of heavy equipment and ensuring the rigging is safe for use. In mining, a rigger is mostly utilized for the beginning and end of operations. They specialize in assembling and taking down equipment, but are also capable of scaffolding and moving heavy machinery. To ensure success as a rigger, you should have in-depth knowledge of rigging equipment, excellent spatial awareness, and good communication skills. A skilled rigger is meticulous and always aware of safety on the site. A good level of mathematical and analytical skills is a bonus to any rigger. As a rigger, you will be required to prepare the materials before loading, set up the rigging equipment, operate heavy equipment machinery, and dismantle the rigging after the job. You will also be required to communicate with the rigging team and ensure compliance with state health and safety regulations. Training is offered at registered training institutions. Training curricula generally consist of courses including determining task and job site requirements, calculating weight of object, specify, select and inspect rigging equipment, lift, maneuver and move loads, lifting with hand-operated chain hoists. Most mining riggers work full-time, albeit in shifts which may include working evenings and weekends. Adhering to safety considerations, including prescribed safety gear, is of utmost importance because many common rigging procedures involve heavy equipment and teams. The risk of an accident is significant. Bending, stooping, and heavy lifting are common. Job opportunities for mining rigger are increasing because mines always have a need for equipment and individuals with the skills to rig the equipment properly. You may already know a rigger is mainly used in heavy construction jobs. Riggers are used in many other industries: marine, oil and drilling, military, trucking, even the movies and theatres. You too can live your passion and qualify as a mining rigger. If you are self-motivated, inquisitive, willing to learn on your own and have a deep interest in mining, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.